I'm going to talk quickly today about how you choose your counsellor or psychotherapist. So, you might ask people that you know and trust for a recommendation, but then there's always the potential for there to be a conflict of interest. But it's certainly a good way to start. You've also got websites like the Counselling Directory and also Psychology Today, where you can have a look and you can look at all of the profiles that whether the counsellors or therapists specialise in the area that you're looking for counselling on, or within your local area, depending on whether you're wanting to see them face to face or online. And a lot of people will offer both. Some people offer telephone counselling as well. It really depends on what you're looking for, but those are the two sort of big websites. There's also like BACP website and the UKCP website and the NCPS website, where they all have, depending on whether their counsellors and therapists are registered and accredited with them, that's a place that you could look as well. And those are the three main membership bodies that there are in the UK when you're looking for a counsellor or psychotherapist. What I would recommend you do, rather than just finding one and ringing that person or emailing that person and starting a session, is actually testing maybe two or three. So you get in contact with 3-4 people. You might find that 1-2 of them come back and say they have no capacity, or that what you're looking for they don't offer maybe, or that there's timings that don't work. But then if you can, see if they do either a short phone call where you can have a chat with them about what it is you're wanting from therapy and ask them any questions that you might have. Or if they offer maybe a free first session, take advantage of that so that you can kind of give it a bit of a test drive, like you would if you were buying a car, because you really need to feel like you can talk to that person, you can trust them, they put you at ease, you feel safe, all of those kinds of things. So it's really important to find somebody that you really connect with. I think that's one of the most important things and can't be underestimated. So start on those websites, certainly Counselling Directory and Psychology Today, unless you're asking somebody for their recommendation, which you could also go down as well, and get in contact with a few, maybe have a phone call or a session with a couple of those, and then make an informed choice based on how you felt when you were chatting to them. Does that make sense?